Michigan Maple Salmon. This dish combines delicious maple syrup from the Great Lakes region with wild harvested sockeye salmon, sustainably caught in the cold waters off Alaska. The rich brown color and delicious flavor of maple syrup carries many plant nutrients and is a good source of manganese for healthy bones. First, gather your ingredients. To make Michigan maple salmon, you'll need 4 salmon fillets, thawed, salt and pepper, a quarter cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 garlic cloves, finely minced, or a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Always start by washing your hands. Line a rimmed baking pan with foil. Place the thawed salmon skin side down in the foil-lined baking pan. Wash your hands again after handling raw fish. Sprinkle each fillet with salt and pepper. Mix maple syrup, soy sauce, and garlic or garlic powder together in a small bowl and pour over the salmon. Place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to marinate, turning once at 15 minutes. Start preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit halfway through the marinating. Remove the pan from the refrigerator and turn the fish skin side down on the pan. Immediately wash your hands again. Be sure to wash your hands each time you touch raw fish. Place the pan in the preheated oven. Bake uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. The salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork. Enjoy!